people, you're welcome to another wonderful episode of Our Market on Enterprise TV. Today I'm out here in our Greek Road, Ishawo Ikorodu, to seek the opinion of the traders concerning the ongoing road project in Ishawo Road. Join me as we go on this journey.
It will be very bad, honestly, very bad. So we won't get somewhere to patronize our customer again. If you are to get something, we won't see them, so it will be very bad. So we have to stress ourselves down to garage before we get in, so it will be very bad.
The thing why I feel so, the thing they disturb us, so every day then they disturb us to pack out from now to January, and no space, no any chance at all.
Well, true, honestly, it's okay, it's good, but they should create a market for us, somewhere where somewhere where we have bus stop, so people can actually patronize what we do.
It's fine because it's favor of all of us. So it's the thing that we can enjoy later. So all these things is fine.
wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀nà náà ó dùn mọ́ wa nínú gidigidi ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó ń kọ wá lóminú ni pé àwa gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe wà báyìí sìn kò síbì kankan tá a fẹ́ máa pàtẹ sí tẹ́ bá lé wa kúrò níbí báyìí á dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tẹ́ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀nà náà ó máa kàn wá níbo ni kókó ibi tí ìjọba pèsè fún wa láti lè máa tajà fún àwa tẹ́bi òfin ní pa wá tí òfin náà pa àwọn ọmọ wa.
bọ̀tí kò tó a fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba ni pé tí wọ́n bá wa ṣe ọ̀nà yìí tán kó fún wa ní díẹ̀ pọ̀ máa ti máa tajà wa tó ní máa dààmú wa tí kásòdì ní máa yọ wá lẹ́nu òun la fẹ́.
a ṣe dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa Akínwùmí Àǹbọ̀dé torí pé wọ́n ṣe gúrúgúrú méje yàyà mẹ́fà inú wa dẹ̀dùn sí nígbà gbẹ́jáde kọ́ wá ìwà ìbúwa làwọn owó láǹjọ pé inú wa dẹ̀dùn sí kọ́ńdẹ̀ ìjọba ní sí.
Now we actually appreciate Lagos State for remembering this area actually.
Now wetin everybody beg government make help us, even though one place make them do with us, make everybody pack our market go there.
And they should just please look for a space for them so that we can get them easily. We will not be stressing ourselves over what not to be stressed up.
Because normally this road, anytime when anybody they pass them, there's always a kind of hectic traffic.
They're doing a good job, but they need to check. We want to check and balance. It's going to be good. The road is okay, but there are most of us here that are hustling here, so they should help us before the road projects.
Wow, it has been so great speaking with these people. Some of them see it as a means to enhance their businesses, while some of them see it as a setback because they don't have anywhere to go to. This is where we draw the curtain on our market. You can log on to our website www.enterprisetv.tv and also follow us on our social media platform Enterprise TV. I'm your host, Kemi Omoshebi.